All right, what's up, everybody? It's about, 3 o'clock in the morning. It's 3:15 on Friday morning. Today is March 8th, 2019. I'm doing this date so that those who back test this information that I'm about to share with you guys on the trades we took this week, because this is all it is. I can't sleep. So I'm going to show you the trades we took this week and the hundreds and hundreds of pips that we made. And I'm giving you the exact date so that you can go right back on your own charts and see exactly, because some of these trades I'm going to show you is actually still live. They're still running. So you can actually see that this is the first one I'm starting with because it already hit our target. As you can see, this is the triple arrows that came in on our system. It gave us a signal to jump right on this, right into this trade. And this is the Swiss JPY, as you can see, and it did hit target. So we got taken out, and you can see the price moving right here. So this is still live. You can see it moving. But let me take you to another trade that we're currently in. This is on gold. We made a little something. We're still running. As you can see, up some pretty good pips, and you see it's moving. Okay, see it's moving. See, 76 now. See. 75. So as you can see, I'm live in this trade. We had the triple arrows to the downside. It hit, bottom line, boom. And then we had the triple arrows right here, and we took the trade, and so we're currently in it. And as you can see right here, this is gold. Gold is running. Let me show you another one that we're currently in. We are in GBP Swiss. As you can see, this is moving. See, 286, 287 pips. It's moving, it's bouncing around 284. I'm showing you this 289. As you can see, I'm showing you this while it's live so that nobody can say this is a fake video and, you know, I got ladies all over the place with Lamborghinis. No, we're just trading. So I'm just showing you what we did. As you can see, triple arrows came in right here. As you can see, here's the symbol, GBP, NZD. I have a couple of positions in this one, 3 positions totaling up for basically almost close to 300 pips on that one. Okay, let me see, what else did we take? GBP, we took gold. Okay, Swiss, GBP. Oh, one more. Here's the big one. All right, and we're still in this one, GBP, JPY. I know my team loved this one. 500 pips, 504, as you can see, currently running 504 pips. This is GBP, JPY. Triple arrows. As you can see, this is a live trade. The price action is moving while we're speaking. And I love doing these videos when we're still in the trade so nobody can say that we lied. As you can see, here's our entry right here. I have 2 positions, as you can see, 2 positions. And they were right here at the very tip of the turning point, which is one of the hardest things to do in trading, is to spot the turns of trends. That's one of the hardest things to do in this business of Forex trading, is spot trend trades. Trend turning points, okay? Because there's a lot of turmoil going on up here at the top of the mountain when you're having turning points and trends. And so it's hard to spot, but as you can see, we were able to pinpoint it almost to the exact, currently up 505 pips. It's running right to our target right here. Here's our entries. Here's our current take profit. So we're already locked in with some profit. So no matter what happens, this is why I go to sleep. I'm actually couldn't sleep this morning. But because of some other things, my wife and I are going to go traveling and stuff like that. So I got that stuff on my mind. And then next week, we're going on our honeymoon cruise. And so these are the type of trades that I take because I don't have to babysit them. So we jump in our trades and they can run for quite a long time. And so therefore, hey, we're peaceful. That's why we call it super easy Forex. It's very easy. It's not complicated at all. So therefore, you know, this thing may run even longer than this. So I may move, I'll only have, I hold one target here, but it could go further. I'll show you why I'm saying that. Let me I didn't mean to do this, but since we're here and you're up with me and I'm up with you, might as well see this. Let me show you what happened last time. Look at how many pips. I'm going. Look at that. Last time triple arrows came in, this thing ran for, and this is, check your charts. This is January 2nd, all the way through right here, which was our entry, to March 5th. So that's let me measure that out. Wow, one trade. See, super easy, not complicated. Triple arrows. That was 1,067 pips on that move. 1,067 pips, one trade, no problems. All right, here's the other one before that. So here where you would have got out of this trade and went into the next one, but let's go back and check this one. See, I don't even have to figure out when to get out. I usually set one of those as a take profit target, but then let the other one run because I have no idea how long it's going to run. The system will tell us when it's time to switch sides. So let's take a look. This was when it was told to switch sides, but let's look and see what happened prior. Look at that. Boom, triple arrows came in right here. So if we run this one and see, and I know I can't share the whole screen, so I'll just measure it. You guys seen it with your own eyes. I'll let this be the last one because like I said, I'm tired. Just got a lot on my mind. Couldn't sleep because I know our cruise is coming up. Plus we're going out of town this weekend before we go on our cruise next week. So I'm just missing sleep. So within this trade right here, you have 1,132 pips. Okay, so let's do the math. So let's just say 1,100 on the first trade. You have what, about, I think it was 1,063 pips. Let's just round it up, another 1,100 on that one. And I'm currently up 500 pips on the next one. So if you do the math, let's see, that's 0, 0, that's 7, that's 2,700 pips in only 3 trades. Not bad, huh? 2,700 pips, 3 trades, 1 currency pair, triple arrows. You gotta love it, you guys. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. And these are the trades I like taking. They're smooth. As you can see now, I'm up, what, 510 pips, 509. So again, I'm just showing you this live video so that nobody can say, well, you know, he's scamming people, he this, he that. Watch, I'm gonna move my price up, my target right here. As you can see now, 2 positions. Why? Because I just moved one of these in separately from this one. So clearly I'm in 2 positions. As you can see, I'm locking in profit, right? I don't like to put it too tight. Locking in profit. Okay, so I'm good to go no matter what happens. I'm guaranteed to be in profit no matter what I do at this point. But not bad. 511 pips. See, 513 pips. See, 512. So anyway, I want to just say, hey, if you want to join the Super Easy team, our team is growing leaps and bounds. I thank God for that. That the sacrifice that I put in for all these years actually is paying off to help other people around the world. We literally have a team of people from all over around the world. And I call them team members. I don't call them like some people, they be like my students. Ain't nobody students. Look, I'm still a student of the game myself. That's just not me. I don't have nothing against people who say that, but that's just not me. Hey, we're a team. We're figuring things out together. We're making pips together. You know what I mean? So, hey, my team, my squad, we're happy. They're doing well. They're doing very well, matter of fact. So anyway, if you want to join us and learn how to trade peacefully and easily, I would recommend just come on and join us. superezforex@gmail.com. It's my email address, superezforex@gmail.com. But if you want to get started on right away, all you have to do, you don't even have to contact me. We have our new website up and running now. So you can go straight to our website, which is superezforex.com. superezforex.com. I was told I need to give me a fancy background and all this kind of stuff, which I may do eventually. But again, I'm really not here to try to impress people. I'm here to just show you, hey, there is an easier and another way. There is a way. So it's only $2.99 one time. So, you know, come on and join us. Go to superezforex.com. As soon as you sign up, you'll be creating your own username and password. Once you pay for the system, it'll allow you to go right back to the website. You can go ahead and log right on in with your username and password and get started. There's trainings and the indicators and the training system is right there on the website. Steps 1 through 5. And it's really just that easy. You go through steps 1 through 5. You install your programs on your computer system using whatever broker you choose to use that's on an MT4. And I do recommend that you get a Windows computer, Windows 10, because a lot of Mac, and it's not my indicators, it's the trading platform period. This is just a side note that, you know, you have to get a conversion thing or whatever for Apple, but, you know, for Windows users, it's pretty easy, Windows 10. So, you know, get the tools that you need. Again, if you're a Mac lover, there is conversion tools, but in this, like I said, this is just trading programs, period, across the board. Mac tends to block out a lot of great programs. So, you know, if you do sign up and you're having a little Mac challenge, go ahead and ask the question, because on step 5 allows you to join our private Telegram group where our big family is. And then there's a second one that allows you to have access only to my trading signals when I send them out during the week. See, 515 pips. You guys see that? See, it's up, it's still running, so it's live. So anyway, you'll have two trading, I lost my train of thought. You'll have access to Telegram 1 and 2. Telegram 1 is for the signals, Telegram 2 is to the family. So we do have a lot of Mac users in there. So if you want to be a Mac user, go ahead and ask them. But like I said, you'll probably have a lot more success on Windows, and that's not because of my personal program. It's because MT4 period runs better on Windows 10. But there are, I heard, some conversion materials that you kits or whatever you can do, or VPS systems and da. And if you're brand new, don't worry about all that. So anyway, you're going to have a ball. I think it's well worth it. Like I said, and this is just what we've done this week, you guys. So the gold, the GBP NZD, the GBP JPY, and the Swiss JPY, all of those were trades we took just this week, and we're up hundreds of pips very easily. Okay, only 4 trades, hundreds of pips. Nothing. It's really nothing to us. We don't scalp for 10 pips or 20 pips. That's a waste of our time, realistically. And I'm not trying to be funny or put down anybody else, but I mean, look, we took this trade. I'm up 511 pips. What do I need? What am I stalking 10 and 20 pips for when I can make over 100, 200, 300 in a week on pips with ease? You know what I mean? Place my trades and walk away. That's what we do. That's our strategy. We place our trades and literally walk away. There's nothing more that you need to be doing. You staring at the computer, panicking, pissing in your pants and all this stuff for 5 and 10 and 20 pips is just ridiculous. Now, it doesn't make sense to me to do all that when you can collect hundreds of pips and go live your life and come back. Like I said, I woke up this morning to this 500 and something pips. I knew I was up 300 or 400, but now I woke up to another 100 and something pips. And I only woke up because, like I said, I got stuff on my mind. Me and my wife's anniversary cruise is coming up. Plus, I got to go out of town this weekend before that. So 2 weekends in a row, I got to be traveling. And here's the beautiful part about it. This is still possibly going to be running because if it keeps going and hits my first target, boom. All right, I'm in profit. If it continues like it's been doing and wants to run for another 500 pips, that's perfectly fine with me. See, I don't even have to be here for my trades. Once we set it, we forget it. We walk away, we go live. I've already locked in profit. I don't care. I don't care what, I mean, realistically, it does not matter what happened for me at this point. Regardless of what happens, I'm making money. I'm guaranteed money. It's just a question is, will it hit my first take profit and then keep running, or will it come back and hit me here to lock me out and blah, 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 which, by the way, I can move this down some more right here. Let's lock in some more. Boom. So if it hits right here, I got money. If it hits this one, I got more money. And then if it hits this one, and then the second position doesn't have a finish line on it, so if it runs for another 500 pips, I made money. So either way it goes, guess what? I made money. And here's the thing. I don't have to be here watching it. That's the whole point of what Super Easy Forex is all about. We do not sit around watching our trades. Go to bed. Go enjoy your week. Hey, once you place the trades, it is what it is. Okay, just go relax, chill out. Okay, all right. The one I loved the most though was this one. Let me see. That was a beautiful. I mean, it stopped dead on the dime. Y'all see that? And I wanted to record this one beforehand, but it had already hit my TP, which is right here. And so once it hit my TP stands for take profit for new people. Once it hit my take profit, it already had taken me out before I can actually film this one. This one was this was the Swiss JPY that the team took. We took this trade together. We got in right there, and right there was mine. So it was about 177 pips on that one too. And this was another simple trade. We just took it, walked away, and boom, before I can even get to the computer to look at what I had, it had already hit my take profit. Okay, so anyway, you're seeing this live, so come on and join the family. I know you're tired of stressing over this trading stuff and frustrated. Come on and join us. It's $2.99. Sign right on up and get started right now. You can get started anytime you want, and that's the whole good point. You don't have to wait on me. You don't have to wait on anybody anymore. The website is there. Once you sign up, just log right back in with your username and password and go ahead and get started, and boom, you'll be ready to go for next week when we get a fresh week. Because this morning, I know it's 3:30 in the morning, I gotta go to bed. It's 3:30 right now, but in a couple of hours, this is Friday, March 8th, 2019. And so in a couple of hours is NFP, which we shy away from. So we're just gonna chill for the rest of the week, take our little marbles and go play somewhere else and come back next week, let this news pass. Also, just a heads up for all traders who are watching this right now, and hopefully you've caught this video on time. On Monday is big news day, so you might want to be careful, because even me, I'm gonna tighten up on these GBP pairs, because they do have the Brexit vote on Monday. All right, and also the JPY pairs, the yen, they're having interest rates announcement, so that can be a little spiky for you as well. So just a little heads up. I know you're not on my team, but I just still want to help you as a trader. Make sure to pay attention before you take trades. Watch the news, because it can impact your trades. There's only a few that I pay attention to, which I teach my group, so you'll learn that once you come in as well. We don't pay attention to every news event that comes out, but there are a few of them, and those are two of them on the list: interest rates and Brexit news and NFP. Well, that's actually three, huh? Brexit news, NFP, and interest rate news. Those are three of the top ones that I pay attention to. Some of the other stuff I don't care about. Okay, it's just fluff. All right, I'm gonna close this video out. Hopefully you guys like it. Have a good day.